welcome to my YouTube channel, Connect with Steph. Today I thought I would do something a little different. I thought I would do a come tidy with me video. As you can see, my living room is looking a mess, to put it politely. The living room acts as my office, playroom, laundry room and dining room. It is a multifunctional space. Did you spot that YouTuber on the telly? My daughter was taking a nap and I thought that I would have about an hour and 30 minutes to get things done. However, my daughter had other ideas, so partway through the video I had to pause, bring her downstairs and make a snack. You may spot her little foot popping out every now and again from under her yellow table and then pushing away the toast that she had asked for. Typical. I was planning to do a before and after video after tidying, but once my daughter decided she did not want the snack, it was game over. Just a snapshot of a day in my life as a single mom.